And now we move on to the important part of the Samanvay Puraskara being bestowed to Kala Ratna Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana today. I request Shri Satyanarayana Garu to please take a seat. I request all our guests to kindly felicitate him on behalf of Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan. Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan has carried on this practice of felicitating a legend in the field of dance and literature for so many years now. The very important part of this Puraskara is the gifting of the Swarna Kankana, the golden bracelet, to the legendary artist. I request all our guests to kindly do the honors. As they do the honors, I'd like to read out the citation being presented to him. Shri K.V. Satyanarayana is a Kuchipudi luminary beyond compare, emanating a radiance that shines across the globe. Hailing from the traditional family in Eluru, a village near Kuchipudi village, he is the shining star, a torchbearer of Kuchipudi for the generation next of Kuchipudi artists from Andhra Pradesh. KVS, as he is popularly known, is an artist par excellence in rendering male characters of Kuchipudi Yakshagana. Apart from this, he is an artist, choreographer and also dance director for films. He is well known for his vibrant character roles in Kuchipudi Yakshagana and an ace choreographer of ballets like Amukta Malyada, the story of Sri Krishna Deva Raya, the king of Vijayanagara, Panchakavya, 5 entrancing stories of important kavyas, Kala Rachana, the story about time, Kala Rachana, the story about time, Panchakanya, captivating short stories about 5 heroic women, Draupadi, Sita, Mandodari, Tara and Ahalya, Nrityakshari, about how the Indian alphabets were created by Lord Shiva, Chinna Devi, story about dancer and wife of Emperor Sri Krishna Deva Raya, Shri Krishna Karnamrutam, Mahishasura Mardini, Mohini Bhasmasura, Buddham Sharanam Gachami, Alamelu Manga Vaibhavam, Rama Katha, and so on. Shri K.V. Satyanarayana has been acknowledged for his scintillating performances illuminating the world of classical Kuchipudi across the globe. He has been adorned with several awards for his dance direction for super hit films like Swarna Kamalam. He has been honored the prestigious titles and awards, a few being the state awards, Andhra Pradesh State Kala Ratna Hamsa Award in 2009, Pratibha Puraskaram 2013 by Potti Sri Ramulu Telugu University Hyderabad, Vesishta Shava Puraskaram by AP State Government in 2008 and several more for his unparalleled talent and performances. He has been honored by the Film Land too with film awards such as Nandi Award for Best Choreography for his choreography for the film Shruti Layalu, Bharat Muni Award for Best Choreography for the film Shruti Layalu in 1988. Supremely talented, utterly devoted to his art, the dance form of Kuchipudi, Shri K.V. Satyanarayana, with a desire to impart his knowledge to aspiring future artists, established a premier institute of dance, the Shri Satya Kuchipudi and Janapada Nritya Academy, which offers the best training in the disciplines of classical and folk dance. A shining star in the glittering galaxy of classical dance, he is unequaled in imparting his immense talent to a stream of disciples who consider themselves fortunate to be under his tutelage. Divinely gifted, infinitely talented, and immeasurably admired for his vast following of devoted disciples, his name and fame have not only been confined to India, he is proud of his immense following and innumerable disciples all over the world. He has been visiting and touring the United States in 1987, captivating audiences and with his performances and coaching many eager disciples in classical dance in many centers across the United States. As an organizer par excellence, Shri K.V. Satyanarayana holds well-deserved leadership positions in several prestigious cultural organizations and academies. He holds the premier designation of Director of Sri Satya Kuchipudi Dance Academy, USA, and Vice President of Sahitya Mandali. He is the General Secretary of YHMA. He is also the Honorable President of Sri Ramalayam and Sri Gauri Devi Devasthanam and Program Committee Member of South Zone Cultural Center, Tanjavur, and member to West Godavari Cultural Council and several more. His overwhelming desire to promote Kuchipudi in all its classical glory as one of the most brilliant dance forms in India has made him establish the KVS Excellence Award since 2007. The KVS Award is dedicated to classical dance and literature to recognize and felicitate eminent gurus. Shri Rajarajeshwari Kalaniketan is proud to present Samanvay Puraskara Award to Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana. I request Shri Dr. K.V. Satyanarayana to kindly say a few words to the Sabha.